Imagine a world bathed in the eerie glow of the aurora borealis, its tendrils reaching down from the sky, not just at the poles, but across the entire planet. The sky would be alive with colors, a mesmerizing dance of light that both captivates and terrifies. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a glimpse into a very real event that once shook our world. Telegraph systems, the pinnacle of 19th century technology, burst into flames, overwhelmed by surges of unimaginable energy. These surges were so powerful that they set telegraph papers on fire and shocked operators, leaving them bewildered and frightened. The very lifeline of communication at that time was rendered useless in an instant. This was the scene in September 1859, when the most powerful geomagnetic storm ever recorded, the Carrington Event, struck Earth. Streets that were usually bustling with activity fell silent as people looked up in awe and fear at the sky. The storm's effects were felt far and wide, leaving an indelible mark on history. Named after astronomer Richard Carrington, who observed the solar flare that triggered it, the Carrington Event serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of our sun. Carrington's observations were groundbreaking, providing the first direct evidence of a connection between solar activity and geomagnetic disturbances on Earth. This event wasn't merely a celestial light show, it was a potent demonstration of the vulnerability of our technologically dependent world to the whims of space weather. The solar flare that Carrington observed unleashed a torrent of charged particles that collided with Earth's magnetosphere, creating a geomagnetic storm of unprecedented intensity. The Carrington Event disrupted telegraph communication across Europe and North America. Telegraph lines, which were the backbone of communication, were rendered inoperable. Messages that once traveled across continents in minutes were suddenly impossible to send. Operators received electric shocks and telegraph paper spontaneously ignited. The chaos in telegraph offices was palpable, with sparks flying and equipment malfunctioning. It was a stark reminder of how vulnerable our technology can be to the forces of nature. Auroras, typically confined to high latitudes, were witnessed as far south as the Caribbean and Hawaii, painting the night sky with vibrant hues of red, green, and purple. These stunning displays of light were both beautiful and ominous, a visual testament to the power of the storm. This event, though disruptive, occurred in a time when our reliance on technology was minimal. People could still go about their daily lives without the constant need for electronic devices and communication networks. The impact, while significant, was manageable. Today, a similar event could have catastrophic consequences, crippling power grids, disrupting communication networks, and sending our technologically advanced world spiraling into chaos. Our dependence on technology has grown exponentially, and a geomagnetic storm of the same magnitude could bring modern civilization to a standstill, affecting everything from financial markets to emergency services. The Carrington Event, though the most powerful, is not an isolated incident. It stands as a stark reminder of the sun's potential to impact our planet in profound ways. Earth has experienced the wrath of geomagnetic storms throughout its history, each leaving its mark on our planet and perhaps even our collective memory. These storms have shaped not only our environment, but also our technological advancements and societal structures. One such event, the Great Aurora of 1770, rivaled the Carrington Event in its intensity. Witnesses described the sky as being ablaze with light, a spectacle that was both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Historical records from East Asia describe auroras so bright that they illuminated the night sky like daylight. These vivid descriptions highlight the global reach and impact of such geomagnetic phenomena. This event, like the Carrington Event, impacted early communication systems, causing disruptions in telegraph lines across the globe. Telegraph operators reported sparks flying from their equipment, and some even received electric shocks. Further back in time, evidence of even more powerful geomagnetic storms is etched in the very fabric of our planet. Geological formations and ancient tree rings serve as natural archives, preserving the history of these cosmic events. Tree ring data, a natural record of Earth's history, reveals a massive spike in carbon-14 isotopes around 774 to 775 AD. This anomaly suggests a significant solar event far surpassing any modern occurrences. This spike, far larger than any observed in recent history, suggests an intense burst of cosmic radiation, likely from a massive solar flare or even a more distant cosmic event. Such events could have had profound effects on the climate and life on Earth at the time. The implications of such an event on our ancestors remain shrouded in mystery. Did these cosmic disturbances influence ancient civilizations, their myths, and their understanding of the cosmos? These historical echoes remind us that our planet exists within a dynamic and often unpredictable cosmic environment. The universe is a vast and ever-changing place, and our Earth is but a small part of this grand tapestry. The Sun, our life-giving star, can also be a source of immense power, capable of unleashing forces that can disrupt our technological way of life. As we continue to advance, understanding and preparing for these cosmic events becomes ever more crucial. Fast forward to the present day, and the threat of geomagnetic storms remains a pressing concern. In August 2024, a significant geomagnetic storm, while not on the scale of the Carrington Event, served as a stark reminder of our vulnerability. This storm, triggered by a coronal mass ejection from the Sun, disrupted radio communications and caused widespread auroral displays. Though relatively minor compared to historical events, the August 2024 storm caused power grid fluctuations in some areas and interfered with satellite operations. This event, a mere taste of the potential chaos a major geomagnetic storm could unleash, underscores the importance of understanding and preparing for these cosmic events. The increasing complexity and interconnectedness of our technological infrastructure make us more vulnerable than ever to the impacts of space weather. Power grids, communication networks, and navigation systems, all essential to our daily lives, are susceptible to disruption or even damage from intense geomagnetic storms. The August 2024 storm, a wake-up call in a world increasingly reliant on technology, emphasizes the need for robust space weather monitoring and mitigation strategies. We must learn from the past and prepare for the future, for the Sun, in its immense power, will undoubtedly continue to shape our destiny. Throughout history, alongside well-documented geomagnetic storms, there have been periods of unexplained events and societal upheaval. These moments, often shrouded in mystery, have left historians and scientists alike pondering their origins and implications. While often attributed to terrestrial causes, could some of these events be linked to cosmic phenomena, subtle whispers of the universe influencing our planet and its inhabitants? The night sky, with its myriad of stars and planets, has always been a source of wonder and speculation. The year 1922, for instance, witnessed a series of bizarre events, including widespread electrical disturbances, unusual animal behavior, and inexplicable occurrences that baffled the public and experts alike, and reports of strange atmospheric phenomena. These events seemed to defy the conventional understanding of the time, leading to a myriad of theories and speculations. While explanations range from heightened solar activity to mass hysteria, the true cause remains a subject of debate. Scientists and historians have long debated the potential influences of solar activity on human behavior and societal events. Similarly, the year 2004 saw a significant increase in reports of UFO sightings and unusual weather patterns. These reports captured the public's imagination and led to widespread speculation about extraterrestrial influences. Some speculate that these events could be linked to increased solar activity, with solar flares and other space weather phenomena potentially impacting Earth's environment and even human consciousness. Or even the passage of our solar system through a region of interstellar space with different properties. This journey through the cosmos could expose our planet to new and unknown forces. While these connections remain speculative, they highlight the potential for cosmic events to influence our planet and our perceptions in ways we are only beginning to understand. The interplay between cosmic forces and terrestrial events is a field ripe for exploration. The interconnectedness of Earth and the cosmos is undeniable. Our planet is but a small part of a vast and dynamic universe, constantly influenced by forces beyond our immediate perception. Just as the Sun's energy sustains life, other cosmic phenomena, from solar flares to gamma-ray bursts, could have subtle or even profound effects on our planet, its environment, and its inhabitants. These events remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Exploring these connections could provide valuable insights into our place in the universe and the forces that shape our destiny. By understanding the cosmic influences on our planet, we can better appreciate the intricate web of interactions that define our existence.